Hello and welcome to the Space Between Ideas. I'm Blaine Gates. Today I want to talk about three things. So the first thing is writing, content, creating content and ads, my startup philosophy, and launching an idea. So let's get started. Now, the idea of writing and creating content. So often, a lot of the ideas that I talk to with you is going to be about like something that I was talking about with somebody else. So this morning I had a coachee, and she was telling me about her performance review. So she had a performance review, and she got some feedback from her supervisor. So basically, you can see on the screen, her boss said, "Hey, we need to improve your content professionalism." So this girl, she has a legal background, and now she's writing finance articles. So we talked about reading more, exploring different styles, figuring out how other people think and write articles, and then better understanding from the customer's point of view. And this is really the key. So I remember when I was working for a law firm in Shanghai, and I also needed to write some articles. And the partner would often ask me to resolve some kind of problem, and I would just do the research, I'd write the article, and done. Sorry, I'm in Cairo, and sometimes there's flies in Cairo. And and I wouldn't want to change it after I'd written something. I'd say, yeah, this is it. This is the answer. But the thing is that I was only, because I had limited experience, I was just writing it from my own perspective, and I wasn't considering the audience. All right. Now, so in the last video, we talked about this. So I have another lady. She's in Canada right now, and we talked about how to increase her reach. We were talking about the customer acquisition rate, the cost per customer. And where do our customers come from? So we have this whole big, long sales funnel. In fact, content marketing. So if we talk about advocacy, right? So do our customers, do they share our content with other people? And loyalty, okay, so are they consistently, are they subscribers? Are they constantly buying our product, using our product? Decision, what made them make that decision? When did they start buying, and why did they start buying? And consideration, so what are the things that help them to understand what our product does, and it gave them the opportunity to start thinking about it? And attraction, how did we first get their attention? So these are questions you can ask, right? So why did someone click on the ad? Why did someone read the article after clicking the ad? Why did someone attend a meeting, or to take more actions, or buy our product? And why are they returning and continuing to use our product? Now, the thing is, so the key here is creating content is to localize it for a very specific audience. And that goes back into this idea here. So where do our leads come from? They come from visits. And where do our visits come from? They come from our reach. And what is our reach? The reach is the total number of people that see us in some way. How do we increase our reach? And remember, we realized that it's about paid ads. If you have for this lady, so if they have paid ads, they get more reach. But if no, then they need more paid ads. Okay, so all right, we tried more paid ads, but no. So now we need better quality ads. Well, what does it mean to have better quality ads? In some respect, if you add money, if you have great content and you add money to the project, maybe you can get better quality ads. But often what you need to do is understand the customer segments. All right. So the first line here about writing, creating content, creating ads is understanding the audience. Understand the customer segments. And then the other point was like lack of knowledge for where we should advertise. So get your message in front of your audience. Like those are really the 2 points. Is like if you have really great content already, and if you understand your customer segments, great. That means you can attract their attention, but you can't really attract their attention unless you're in the right place. All right, so in the next video, we'll talk about my startup philosophy and launching an idea.